I know, we started to feel. Oh, let's see how much we got more. Let's put
Okay, so I'm gonna buy, I want 2, but put it all in the same cup.
All right, all right. Okay, ready? Hold on to the cup. All right, you got it tight? Okay.
Thank you.
Say you're welcome.
And because I don't have change.
Wow, what do you guys say?
Thank you. It was a pleasure doing business and happy Easter.
Thank you. Same to you.
We even have a sign that
Are
says
you
happy
the ones
Easter.
that? Right, guys? Who's gonna get it? Who's gonna get it?
Where's mine?
Keep going, keep going. Okay, let's try another one. Okay, bottom. Okay, there you go. Thank you. What do you say, Jake? You're welcome. ¿Cuánto tenemos? The business is falling. Hi. Oh. 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 Okay, go. All right.
Thank you. I see the money and he's
Keep going. Okay, that's good. All right, there you go. What do you say? Thank you all. Happy Easter.
Fresh lemonade here.
What? Oh.
Again too?
Yeah. Wow. All right. What's it? All right. Well, let's.
Who's the cashier? Who handles the money? Both of us? I don't want to rip this in half, so
Oh,
one of you take
there you go. What do you say?
it.
All right. Hold on to it. All right, more. 4. Yeah, she just came up that she wanted to do this today. How much is it, guys?
5-0.
$2?
$3? $4? That looks like $4.
That looks like $4.
Say 50
Sounds like a
cents.
bargain.
Say
50 cents.
50 cents. I don't have change. So. I go like the first idea.
That's why you have to get. Oh.
How's that?
That's
all
good
yours.
change.
Okay?
Are you sure?
I'm positive.
Oh,
Thank you for doing that. Those are
right.
a bike ride. This is nice.
There you go.
Again. Cheers.
Cheers. Hey.
Yeah.
Always remember to be kind. Isabella and David.